I had to do a part two of Taco Trump versus Special K loving baby daddy because they are going to continue to tweet. They're going to do this all night. And if I don't keep up, then we're just going to be very, very far behind. So let's look at what is going on right now between these two. They have broken up during Pride Month. So Donald Trump posted this on his live social page saying, I don't mind Elon turning against me, but he should have done so months ago. This is one of the greatest bills ever presented to Congress. It's a record cut in expenses, $1.6 trillion, and the biggest tax cut ever given. If this bill doesn't pass, there will be a 68% tax increase. He just pulls numbers. He digs into his underpants, after he digs past the poop, and then he pulls a number out of his butt. All right, there will be a 68% tax increase and things far worse than that. I didn't create this mess. I'm just here to fix it. This puts our country on a path of greatness. Make America great again. And he has all these random capitalizations and it just irks my soul. But let's continue. We have Steve Bannon coming into the fray saying, Elon doesn't even go here. He said, investigate if he's an illegal alien. If he is, y'all, I don't like any of these people, any of them. But if we can help dismantle this regime because they are fighting each other, it is going to be a win. So this article, it says, Steve Bannon says he told Trump to investigate Musk as an illegal alien. In an interview, the former top aide to the president said Trump should cancel Elon Musk federal contracts. Bannon, one of Elon Musk's most vocal critics, said he was advising the president to cancel all the tech billionaires' contracts and launch several investigations into the world's richest man. They should initiate a formal investigation of his immigration status because I am of the strong belief that he is an illegal alien and he should be deported from the country immediately. He doesn't even go here. Go home, Elon. This part is hilarious. Bannon said the Trump administration should also investigate Mr. Musk's use of Special K, as reported by the New York Times, and his effort to get classified briefing on China from the Pentagon. Musk's security clearance should be suspended during these investigations. Oh man, it's just so much. So this live social post dropped 1:06 p.m. And then at 1:09 p.m., Elon Musk posted, in light of the president's statement about cancellation of my government contracts, SpaceX will begin decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. So he is taking his toys and he is going home. And I hope he stays there. I hope that they are having a terrible, terrible night as all of us laugh at this immense meltdown. All right, so Tata is asking the question, is a war between Elon and Trump? Who are you supporting? And then Mike says, Elon may have fallen for it, but he didn't start and continue to take credit for Operation Clock Speed. So I guess I'll take his side by default. Doesn't matter much anyway. I don't think anyone has what it takes to turn it all around. Jack O'Connor says, not a half-baked lunatic genius, that's for sure. Yeah, he is. No, is he half-baked or is he all the way baked? He loves his candy, and I'm putting candy in quotation marks because I do not mean candy. Alice says, always Trump. Trump can do no wrong to these people. Cindy says, I support both. Even friends have disagreements. I am supporting them working things out. That is very optimistic, Cindy. BJ says, neither. We need both these men working to save our country. Elon doesn't even go here. He needs to go back home, BJ. Bring on the Apocalypse says, there, but this is the wrong there. They're both acting like entitled brats because they are entitled brats. Narcissistic brats at that, just going head to head because they both need the spotlight. Starling says, if this is true, then honestly, I would side with Musk currently. I support Trump, but I've seen him throw so many people under the bus once they are no longer doing his demands. Musk is right. The OBBB needed to be vetted better and actually reduce the government. I have no idea why people continue to work with or work for Trump. He was throwing everybody under the bus in his first administration. Nobody from his first administration outside of Stephen Miller the evil Marvel villain came back to work with him because he's terrible. All right, then we got Meg Weeks saying, Elon, I think Trump's huge ego is showing and he can't carry a grudge. I'm sorry, and he can carry a grudge. Come to think of it, I've never heard Trump say he was wrong or sorry about anything. So Elon Musk reposted this video of Fox, and it happened March 24th. It says, President Trump on Elon Musk. Elon has never asked me for a thing. I mean, I got rid of the EV mandate, but he's never asked for a thing. I think that's an amazing attribute. Elon is a patriot. We want to thank you very much. So then Elon gives this little face. But, back when things were good, they were saying nice things about each other. I mean, May 31st was just last week. He was saying, thank you, Elon, and posted this video of him and Elon shaking hands. So it was just like last week, they were perfectly fine. But then Elon Musk comes to social media to say this bill is disastrous. And then Trump is basically saying, your mammy. And now all hell is breaking loose on social media. Doug Harvin says this is 100 times better than the Drake and Kendrick beef. I don't know about that, but I did do a poll over on my YouTube page. At the end of this video, I will show you the results. It's been going for like an hour and a half. All right, so this person says because it's all a game to release the Epstein files and the left is buying right into their hands. Because it's all a game to release. Why don't they just release the files? Why do they have to do all of this social media fighting? So Ada is asking for a timeline right now from Grok. I didn't see one. Adrian says the world's greatest fiction writers couldn't have conceived of a timeline like this. Arnell rudely asked Grok to give us this image. Arnell says, Grok, create an image of Elon and Donald fighting in a sumo wrestling match. And this is what we get. And I really feel that this is rude. Here we have Jasmine Crockett being real messy, talking about the Real Housewives of Washington, D.C., and putting this graphic up where it says Elon Musk is saying, without me, Trump would have lost the election. Dems would control the House and the Republicans would be 51-49 in the Senate. So Elon is over here taking credit for everything. You know that that's not going to go over well with Trump, who is a narc and wants all of the attention and accolades. He says of Elon, the easiest way to save money in our budget, billions and billions of dollars, is to terminate Elon's governmental subsidies and contracts. I was always surprised that Biden didn't do it. And that makes sense because they are sitting up here snatching food away from poor people, poor kids. But Elon Musk is getting millions of dollars a day. Please, in that, give some money back to them kids, the elderly, the disabled people. Please, let's give some money back to, actual taxpayers that are Americans instead of this person that doesn't even go here. Over on YouTube, my name is Bourbon Bougie, that girl on the YouTubes. I have a poll going asking which beef was more entertaining, Elon or Kendrick Lamar versus Drake. I only have almost 700 votes. E-Lump is winning 67% to 33%. So E-Lump is winning 2-1. All right, weigh in. Which beef is more entertaining, E-Lump or Kendrick Lamar versus Drake? Please let me know in the comments. I know that there is going to be so much more tomorrow. I'm wondering, is MAGA going to turn on Trump? Is MAGA going to turn on Elon? Where are they going to land? How are they going to get anything done in legislation? Because it was already a mess. And I could already tell that they weren't going to get anything done. But now this divorce is happening and people are going to have to decide. Are y'all going with Trump? You going with Elon? Are you going with none of these people because it's all a mess? Let me know. Join the conversation. My kids started screaming. But don't forget to like, comment, and share.